Hi, in this video, I'm gonna make some mini vegetables from air dry clay. Don't skip the video. Let's start with a carrot. First, I'm making the carrot's body. It's hard to work with these gloves. Here, I'm making a hole for the leaves. I will make the leaves now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It's better for the leaves to be different sizes. I will keep the middle one the longest. Let's fix it more. Poke, poke, poke. Wow, it's already looking good. Let's add some lines to make it look more realistic. Don't forget the back as well. It looks very cute. Now we're going to make a mini tomato. Start by shaping a ball. Now let's make a hole for the leaves. Now lines. 3 are enough. Let's make the leaves now. I will make 3 little leaves. It's better for them to be different sizes. Poke, 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 poke. Now the tomato head. Let's fix it a bit more. Some retouch. There is my tomato. Guess what am I making now? Hee 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 hee. I had to mix many colors to get the perfect shade. A lot of beige. It's a bit dark. Let's add more beige. It's perfect shade now. Oops, this is too much clay. Let's shape it now. Shaping, shaping. It shouldn't be perfect. Did you guess? Now let's give it texture. Yes, it's a potato. My favorite part, poking. Now let's make a baby potato from the extra clay. This one is so easy to make. Poking again. More wrinkles. Potatoes, hee hee hee. Let's make a red onion now. I don't know why it's called red onion even though it's purple. Mix, mix, mix. More red clay. Mix, mix, mix again. The onion shouldn't be round. Make one hole for the shoots. And one for the roots. Now let's make the onion shoots. It's better for it to be curly. Now let's make the roots. A little bit of brown clay. A lot of poking for the roots. Let's try to make it look more like an onion. I don't know why I'm making this. I don't even like onions. It makes everyone cry. Now for the mini eggplant. This purple needs to be a bit darker. I don't know where the name comes from. Eggplant hee hee hee. Now for the eggplant head. It also needs to be darker. It looks like a hat now. It's ready to put on now. Now it needs just some fixing. It looks so real, right?